Yo, this is my least favorite / favorite part of my ride. Oh fuck, I gotta stop because there's a car coming. There's actually 2 cars coming. Anyways, I've decided that I'm gonna get my camera out on this section of the road because this is when I always get in trouble. On this side of the street, there's no bike lane. These cars drive like assholes. So we're gonna see what we can get into today. Most of the problem here is that there's speed bumps on this street. So the cars like try and pass me, and then they hit the speed bump and they slow down and I pass them, and it's just not good. So we'll see what happens up at this light. So here's what happens. There's a stop sign right there that I ran. The cars try and pass me right on the wrong side of the road. Try and pass me, and then they hit the stop sign and I'm already long gone. But here they come, coming up behind me again. Like I said, there's a bunch of speed bumps. So, boom, I just passed the speed bump. And another 4-way stop sign, so there's basically no way they can pass me, but they like to drive really fast and get up on my
Bruh.
So here they come. Watch out. Last little speed bump and a left turn onto my street. Pretty easy to dodge those cars and get rid of them. I always fuck with them. I'll flip them off or yell at them because they can't catch me and they're not gonna do anything, so it's whatever. We made it to the studio, maybe. Who knows what'll happen right here at this stop sign. Oh, it's clear. Super clear, so that's it. Now we're rolling up into the loft. We're gonna do some tats and shit. Head on over to the OFNSE 111 YouTube page if you wanna see some tat videos. Peace.